down. Calm down.
Yeah, but we did not put them up from before.
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win, we still a win. Are we still a win? Them girl keep the black thing shining. We still a win. Are we still a win? Unruly thing. We still a win. Are we still a win? Them to know.
Oh, I see,
Montep. Stefflon Dog. You know what it is when you hear that?
Breakfast in bed, darling. I got your bed falling. I make you bed for you. I make you bed for you. Breakfast in bed, darling. I got your bed falling. We are. What are you hating? You hating on the kid, mum? So what we're doing today is we are basically sorting out all the wedding stuff. Today is the 6th of December. Alright, Mum, what do you want help with now? I'm here.
You remember where you get that way put on yours? Yeah, man. Put the man on for the killer there. I'll bring yours.
They don't want my help.
They
don't even want my help, man.
Yeah. I do something. Oh, you see this? Somewhere here, so I'm going to try this here. Just want to say something good here. It's like a pen. You see pen, not true. Is it nice? Personalized. Almost everything personalized. Hey, this is a wedding of the century. Trust me. I'll put this on top of my box.
Take away the big shirts, the tattoos, the sweatpants and Vans. Okay, I don't wear no makeup, no purse in my.
Know where I come from, you know. So I know where I go. Remember when me the poor daddy. I know me never, no mother feel proud of me. And after night me sleep hungry. I must be proud of cover me. Me never forget the board house. The one bed with four of me. Them things that make me sing song. Hard life too cold, daddy. Me tell you the pressures in life make me stronger. Oh, 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 oh. What, you know?
Cake table one. But then what if the chocolate melts and ooze out? No, put it in the yeah. I've just done management, you know, a management degree. See, everything is sorted out now that I've started.
Oh, please.
Pause that video.
We gotta do it so well.
I'm helping.
Oh.
I'm helping you not when to put everything.
Yeah, but we did not put them up from before.
Can
remember you're getting sweet kids. Oh my God.
Yeah.
They're in here, so. Alright, so once we can throw in this big bag now, so I place it over later.
Nice.
Like cups. So we can put the bags in, but tie them and put them in the one.
Put the kids cup where it needs to go first.
You want it?
So put it in a bag with everything. You know what you should do, yeah? Get a bag and put all the souvenirs in one bag. So when you're ready to go pack the souvenir bag then
No, we don't reach us yet, we have things to make. This is what we're going to do now. I think I individual letters. I was supposed to have something from it.
You want to see it, brother?
Yeah, I can't individual, you know, sir. And individual. You want next 7
I feel the next one.
Yeah. I just. Like I not true. You peel off in a one go. It can't happen.
No, you know something like when it's something to picture on.
Eh, but it's very thin. What do you say? Wow. Me too. In your no ramp with no nothing with him. So I may get on with the interview. I sing. I like to make sing all things at playing time. I can't say better. One more thing, fold it or put it in some.
Yeah, I'm salty too.
Put it in some. You have to something finger before me for.
What?
Jesus Christ. Give me a brush like originally poem. So, how the list name I go now? How the list I go now?
What list?
I don't like them up good place, eh?
What list?
The list for the program. We don't do it here later, you know?
Well, no one step at a time. You can't just go through the list like that.
That's why let's not get everybody. There's no way can't what happen. If we get new people invite, there's no way can't be somebody invite here the next week. No. It's not principle. No way you can do it. So you have to start you out this week. So who want to invite we can.
You had the original list, don't you?
Okay, watch me now. Look up on the computer. No, if you know to this, go up on the computer. Come. Come and hurry up. Fall. Or maybe fall on the put in, yeah? Alright. Come and tell us we'll go fall in all different.
I think we should let them, just leave them out. So we can slip it in easier, innit?
Leave what out? Me not get you.
Just leave it as A4, don't bend it.
Tusan, didn't I just ask
Look what the
Tusan?
ants did to me. It's my foot.
Tusan, me not just ask and Tabia say, I want to
God
say,
forbid.
fall.
You can go
Come,
doctors,
put in
mommy.
Tusan, come, put in. Or Tabia will distract you till tomorrow.
Come, you can't go doctors.
No, Tabia. Just rub somebody something sure enough that you blow back like
We have something up there that you carry something like that.
You see? Look.
Tabia, fold something in, please. Or you put in Tusan in the fold in. At least we know the amount of age. Something. You answer me, Tusan? It's a big something out of the way. Because trust me, this step up to the time.
What am I meant to do? Your
Here now. You see how much our time we're supposed to finish. Put it for that, yeah? So by the time Sharon finishes, so but move. No.
You probably chewing
Listen.
No. God no, me not find it funny, you know. No funny.
It's not
Tusan,
funny.
at the stamp, do this, you know? Yeah. And then so then stamp.
It's not funny at all.
Then stamp. Because we don't truly
It's a film 10 day.
Look nice, look nice.
Got them?
I mean, how much we got now? Maybe hold on. I did 11 one at a time.
Yeah.
How much now? I think maybe 2 more, maybe.
We can't do too much anyway.
So, you take out the one out of the program to look at, not true? So, I point to read.
Just see how stamp on it. Right, so somebody wants to stamp already.
Make bad people.
I gotta show mommy. What you doing up there, young man? Calm down. Calm down. Be careful. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Yeah, man. Yeah. You now do your chores. You wash up for you come?
Chores, no? You wash it at night. Or morning.
In at night?
Or morning.
But I make sure.
Sabi, I have one true feel. You can take picture, video, anything you want to do. But, that, put in a part of your face. Move, and that I find.
So everyone's looking for wood because we're gonna be.
What fat leg need to be? Not in the like fat leg. Come on.
I don't know.
Yes, right.
You know, light.
Please make it light now.
Yeah, we all have to know.
Make it a ground motion. Like a
I'm going to say we're kind of cold. So we can go and eat it.
This is unnecessary. Light.
If you get warm, you like, man.
To go fast in the shell, we shall do something.
Have a nice
I got my steak. I got
Now
my
one
steak.
planting.
Pussy, you don't get your steak.
Push the finger in.
Marshmallow.
Let me go eat them. Then what you have to do? Yum them.
If you fire, don't kick you with them.
Let's See me, no man doing fine. When we get bad mosquito bite out there, when I get them big buck.
Okay.
But like, I don't know.
Because we used to it, that's why. So see the fire down go higher. Don't break up the whole tree, no, just can't grab one.
I think that they big of a biggie.
So far, let me look a big, yeah. Big one for me.
Don't blow it, guys. Don't blow it. Close fire now, right?
To see fire an hour. Yo, you know, let me get to a book cover and make it fun. I'm in a fun, you understand? Watch this study.
Drop off.
Video. This one is Tusen. He's lighting the fire. We are roasting the professional marshmallow.
What's the roast, Dios? Me hear not what you say, I roast something.
That's all right.
I'm just going to tell you we could have blessed for easy.
What are you?
Laddie. See them on the fire and rain in the youth.
The fire is not lighting, so we are going to get some national curse now.
Turn on fire.
And it is gonna blaze like this, see?
Blow in there. Be careful now.
Be careful, boy.
Come, watch it there.
Hey, move on the face. No,
Big Bomba to Auntie Jerry's.
Choose my personal in there.
Just show you the tip out this.
No, Trey.
You go drip all night. Alright, what do you mean? You come do it.
Just show it something. I'm watching the face. Move. Move.
Whoosh. Alright, Mark.
Come.
Good no.
Business.
Light pan it up now.
Tyrese.
Don't be saying this.
Eh?
Just take time, pack some something.
Yes. We're in a business now.
We're doing business.
No, man. No,
Man, we're doing business. I told you this thing is what is going to work.
Leave it out there.
Light it up.
One light what you say?
My lighter.
Come in, my father.
You gone again. Why?
No, you know, I'm not probably. Fire on the bottom. Alright then, turn down your lamp shade. No, cause someone make you do that now, no, cause. So me have to light it. So, come back in the house.
Put the blocks up on him.
Shut up, man.
Bang, bang, boom.
You have to think out of your box.
Bang, bang, boom. Come on, can I get ready?
Just go easy.
Go easy. I'm not going to fire stick in my hand. Why you put me up?
One time.
Over that. I know this one out of popcorn. So I have to call the name. I know this one. I am not too big for brush your teeth.
Popcorn.
Move the tongue again. Bigger than Gandhi.
So crossing and away.
Shut up. Your man just take things too far.
So crossing and away, so beans.
Yeah, crossing and over there.
Like make it red. From the bottom bean. Watch this. You know like.
They on the stick here.
Yeah, I'm gonna see you night.
Coronation night.
Me, Tabia, you see, you like you're foreign, you can do these things like you go around the fireside and lay down, cover on your tent and have fun. In a bush.
We did have something there out there, so what they call it?
Tarpaulin. So we tent. Only thing we want is
when are we going to start racing these marshmallows?
When you fire
catch, baby.
The fire catch now?
No.
What's it here? Apa TV you say, no chupa?
No, me the pump got for a boot and he do it. What I bucket to put in a boot.
It's a work, see?
It's
Woo!
working. Fireworks need look of voice, man. It's going to be boring.
Start the pin.
That's right.
At the place. Blaze the fire, Lord.
Yeah.
Yes. Hey.
Friend, Lord.
Yes.
Fire.
Fire drum.
Yeah. Just play. Yes. Work it, man. Work it. Come on.
Blaze the fire. Blaze the fire. Blaze the fire. Fire. Blaze the fire. High in the sky, yeah. Blaze the fire. In the sky, yeah. Blaze the fire.
That's what I'm saying.
I push a tick for me machine and you say go come on.
Yes, Marcus, you're having a marshmallow. Tonight is marshmallow night, guys.
Yeah, massage.
And this is Fargo Boy getting freaking the fire. Who is this? Scratch can.
Yo, no shine the light.
Scratch eat about 2 dozen of the marshmallow, then I want to shit up himself, you know. Oh God, Miss Girl, the tribe, you know.
I'm busy.
Why you tap on
120 them.
Tap on your hand, tap on foot.
Yeah, one thing still know.
Pump fire.
Because I was saying,
Pump fire.
yeah,
No guys.
Don't follow your big
Let's
brother.
go tap on my foot. After in India, go.
This is wifey. Wifey eat 17 marshmallow.
Oh God.
We're going to peep in that fire.
Tabia. Why, yeah, man? Tabia, no.
This is the
This
mud
the
one.
piss man.
You're not
This is
getting
the piss man. This is the piss man.
Hey boy, move.
Tabia, shh. Sometimes you're too loud.
I bet you like flying shit up, you know.
I will shit up. I shit up at school.
Tyrese.
The fire not too big and not too small, just nice.
Normal size.
Normal size.
Yo, to the
Everything energized.
That's how you say. Oi, oi. That's how fire rocket and all out every place with the bang bang boom.
Blackie run out all along.
Make me say
Yo,
bang!
Yo, go lick out the choc glass.
Bang bang boom!
Put the red wire and the blue wire. And go and go slam some fire rocket.
This is little job. What is
This is
it?
when you start telling stories around the campfire.
Yeah.
Yeah, who have no story to tell?
And here comes Talia with the first story.
Hello,
What
I
have to say,
move from the
Talia?
fire, please and thank you.
Yeah, about the time when you hear them come look for you, Talia.
Tell me what time?
You hear them come look for you.
What alien?
What time did
Now I hear that is right now, but
Do the story.
why them your mama?
See the.
You're me first.
Hey, Camaro, here's
say
it.
first.
Here, this is one of
No
them.
one hear no
Duppy.
Duppy story.
Alright, read
Alright, no Duppy story.
Alright, Duppy story.
Just move from the fire. Come, yes, and you want me now. You like one thing off.
in my yard.
Yeah.
This is Marcus coming out with us. A stool.
That is not a school, man.
Boy, you chat too much.
Man, wanna know the African style?
Pokemon scam, show them how to eat.
Pokemon scam. Pokemon scam.
Yeah, on the extra one.
So good. So good.
The fire could have put your crutches, boy.
Where is it? Don't you trouble Zion. Don't you trouble Zion.
Ah! Get them sit now, wow. Wow, me know you can't do it, mate. You have a talent in that. Just show them now.
Give the Pokemon scam. Come in, John. Pokemon scam. It's a only one seed. And I really want, but I just want out of the dozen.
Why you so like Jay drop off my bed?
Oh wait, Jay. Why oh boy, you miss a birthday boy.
Party.
This is called the hot tool.
Talia, put up this on the veranda.
Let go this.
Boy, if you run me down and can't catch me.
This is a new game.
Yo, go over there so we that.
Yo. Don't sprinkle upon the grass, daddy.
Yeah, man, because I'm not smart. I'm very smart.
See what
they got, you know.
Look how they feel me, look at you.
Tell me, Papa Marcus one. Yo!
It's purple.
I was sitting from space, guys, on alien.
Get fire.
Yeah, man.
Tyrese.
Sick our place, dog.
Tyrese, don't. Popcorn, you hear that?
But you regrets then. Yo, you might know you have flash it.
Yo, stop dropping it for the girls.
It look like fake fireworks, not true?
Yo, come
This
to
is
my
the
look.
Jamaican Mr.
Yeah,
Fireworks.
wait to turn. Let me pass.
My man, this is beautiful shit, man.